Welcome to Target Tips and Tricks Christmas edition, December 4th. Today we're going to talk about how you can set up your mobile layouts so they have built-in scrollings. So here's a typical dashboard with 4 objects. Some of these objects are quite wide, so you need a screen with a certain width to arrange these, and that's what you do not have when you do a mobile layout in portrait mode. So instead of that, we'll go to this mobile version of this dashboard, and note I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about how to make a layout. There are other videos for that. I'm just going to show you this one tip about how to optimize. So if you're looking at this particular layout here, you can right click it and go to page settings. So out of the box, a mobile layout in portrait mode, that would be picking mobile here and setting this to portrait, and then you'd get the standard resolution of 400 by 750 pixels. But in this case we're going custom instead, and that gives us the option to expand. So now we're going to give ourselves the double amount of pixels going down. So now we've enabled scrolling, but you need to be aware of one more thing. If you set this to the default, which is whole page, Target will try to adjust these 400 by 1500 inside the size of your screen, meaning there will be no scrolling. So you have to say, okay, please do only adjust in terms of width. Do not adjust in terms of depth, the height, you might say, of the dashboard. That means that now you'll get the full 1500 pixels and you'll get the scrolling experience when you access this dashboard on your mobile and you hold it in portrait mode. Just as a bonus, I just want to explain that if you do a mobile in portrait mode as well, you can actually flip your phone back and forth between landscape and portrait, and you can have an experience of actually having 2 different dashboards that you can study on the same phone at the same time. Okay, that was just a small tip on how to do a mobile layout in portrait mode. See you tomorrow for another tip of the day, Christmas edition.